Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the SOS light on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money on YouTube. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch. Then you have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen. And here, if you scroll down in this menu, you will find this little flashlight icon. And when you tap on it, it is going to turn on your flashlight, which is this white screen. You can tap it if you want to make it brighter, or tap again if you don't want that bright. But to turn on the SOS light, you just have to swipe to the right here, and it is going to start blinking. And if you tap again, it is going to be even stronger. So here are your blinking lights. It is quite useful. You can use this in situations when you want to bring attention to yourself. And you can also use this red light here if you swipe to the right again. So this is a red light lamp, very strong brightness. And yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can use this function. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye bye.